Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook Messenger app for extra security. It's simple, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're inside, tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. This will open a menu on the left side of your screen. From here, tap on the settings icon. Scroll down until you find the Preferences section, then tap on Privacy and Safety. On the next screen, under the Security section, look for and tap on App Lock. Now, you'll see options to enable a PIN, password, or fingerprint for your Messenger app lock. To turn on fingerprint security, toggle the switch next to Unlock with Biometrics. Messenger will then ask you to authenticate using your device's fingerprint and either a PIN or pattern password. To set up the fingerprint option, place your finger on your device's fingerprint sensor. Once you authenticate, your fingerprint will automatically be added for Messenger lock. If you'd rather use a PIN or pattern, tap on Unlock another way. Then, select Use Pattern and enter your device pattern to confirm, using the same pattern in Messenger. Once you've set up your fingerprint or pattern, you'll need to choose when Messenger will lock. You can select after I leave Messenger to lock it immediately, or pick a time like after 1 minute, after 15 minutes, or after 1 hour of an activity. Now, whenever you open Messenger, you'll be asked to use your fingerprint or pattern to unlock it, based on your chosen settings. And that's it. Your Messenger app is now locked and secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.